Hi, today I will show on how to extract unique records or values in Excel. Both can be found under the Data tab ribbon. First option is remove duplicates. We highlight column C because that's the column we wanted to extract values from. Then we hold down Control and the left mouse key, and then we drag the whole column and place it on column K. And we click remove duplicates, then we just continue with the current selection, and then we remove duplicates. And click my data has headers, and then just click OK. Yeah, we're done with the first option. The second option is also on the data ribbon tab, and it is the advanced filter. We click the advanced. You wanted to copy on another location, which is on column L, and then we highlight again column C. Then just click unique records only. At the cell where do you want the unique values to be copied from. Then just click OK. Yeah, that's it. The first and the second option gives back the same result. All 9 unique values are the same.